Hey, storm season is here, and you know what that means? That's right, more jobs to be done, more roofs to replace. You know that it's all about being in the right place at the right moment, and especially in front of the right prospects to get more deals. We are Hail Max Leads, a storm damage roofing appointment setting call center. So whether you service only your local area or do storm chasing, whether you have a big sales team or it's just you, we can help you get on top of the roofs that have the potential for damage. We know that it's all about getting more roofs done, period. We help companies achieve their revenue goals by connecting them directly with their ideal prospects. Unlike SEO, Facebook, or Google Ads, we engage in genuine human conversations with prospects. Plus, you only pay for successful appointments, not per click like other methods. If you're not ready to scale your business or handle a busy workload, this video might not be for you. What? You're still here? Perfect. Let's dive into how we roll. First, we discuss the pricing of our packages. You will choose and acquire the one that suits your needs. Next, we'll ask you some questions to tailor our approach to your company's needs. We'll cover the areas you serve, the types of roofs you work on, your schedule, the size of your sales team, the types of properties you work with, and the kind of prospects you're targeting, whether they're commercial or residential. Then we will do a brief evaluation based on the area to ensure there have been sufficient storms there or elderly roofs needing to be replaced. Then we will create an exclusive campaign for you and schedule appointments on your behalf. Our team initiates conversations with prospects, extending an offer for a complimentary roof inspection on your behalf. We ask a series of qualifying questions to ensure they are exclusive and qualified leads for you. These questions include inquiries about their name, address ownership, roof age, roof type, dwelling type, contingency contract, insurance, email, and any visible damages. Once that prospect is fully qualified, our agents will proceed to schedule a specific time and date for you to go and run the inspection. Once a lead is generated, it undergoes a thorough verification process. Our quality assurance team carefully analyzes the call, verifies the property's existence across multiple platforms, and conducts extensive research to ensure that the lead meets your specific criteria. If the lead does not meet your requirements, it will be cancelled to maintain the integrity of our service. If the lead is great, we'll send it to you via email along with all the information you need. Additionally, you'll receive a spreadsheet to keep track of the package you acquired. While we strive for a 100% show ratio, unforeseen circumstances can sometimes arise. Homeowners may not be available at the scheduled time or may lose interest before your arrival. That's why we offer a 24-hour lead replacement guarantee. If you encounter such situations, simply notify us within 24 hours and we'll replace the lead promptly, ensuring that you always have opportunities to capitalize on. What does this mean? Well, if you purchase 25 appointments, that means you'll get on top of 25 roofs. We work side by side on making that happen, so all we require is quick communication. Here's how it's done. If you can't get up on the roof for any reason, maybe the owner's not around or they changed their mind about the inspection, just shoot us a reply to the same email you got from that lead. Let us know what went down within 24 hours. First, we'll reach out to the prospect and see if we can set up a new time. If that doesn't work out, we'll swap that lead with another one. Just make sure you let us know within 24 hours of when the appointment was supposed to happen. Our main focus is making you more money so that your ROI makes sense and we can continue to do business together. We're not just about roofing appointments. If you need help with anything related to home improvement like solar, HVAC, flood, mold, and more, our call center services have got you covered. Visit our website for more information at www.hailmaxleads.com.